Welcome to an in-depth look at the VIP Embroidery File Format, a creation of Pulse Microsystems which emerged as a significant innovation in the late 1990s. Pulse Microsystems established itself in 1982 and over the years has earned a reputation as a frontrunner in the field of embroidery software solutions. Initially developed for the exclusive use with Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines, the VIP format brought a new level of compatibility and sophistication to the embroidery world. As its popularity soared, other industry giants, such as Pfaff and Singer, recognized the format's potential and integrated it into their own embroidery machine models. The genius behind the VIP format lies in its vector-based capacity. Unlike traditional pixel-based graphics, vector-based designs are crafted using precise mathematical equations. This fundamentally means that no matter how much you scale or resize an embroidery design, it will maintain its original clarity and quality, never becoming pixelated or blurry. Moreover, this format enables the incorporation of a multitude of thread colors into a single design. The result is an embroidery that dazzles with detail and boasts a lifelike appearance, setting it apart from more simplistic designs. Even though the industry has seen the advent of new file formats, like the PES and DSD, that are now more widely used, the VIP format has stood the test of time. It remains an essential tool for those with older embroidery machines and for enthusiasts who have a loyal preference for its unique properties. One of the standout features of the VIP format is its status as a closed, proprietary format. By not being publicly available, it offers a safeguard for the creative designs it encapsulates, helping to prevent unauthorized replication or distribution. While this exclusivity does mean that only specific, often costly software can be used to craft and modify VIP files, it also ensures that the integrity and ownership of each design are preserved. To breathe life into a VIP design, a skilled digitizer embarks on a meticulous process. Utilizing specialized embroidery software, the digitizer imports or sketches an image, which is then transformed into a series of embroidery stitches through the application of various digital tools. The digitizer also has control over specifying thread colors and other intricate details that bring depth and vibrance to the design. Upon completion, the design is saved in the VIP file format and transferred to the embroidery machine. The machine interprets the file and meticulously stitches the design onto the chosen fabric, with impeccable precision enabled by the file format structure. Although it may not dominate the market as it once did, the VIP format is far from obsolete. It's cherished by numerous embroidery enthusiasts and professionals for the stellar quality of designs it produces. This vector-based file format not only ensures designs are of the highest possible quality, but also stands as a bastion for the protection of the creator's intellectual property. To sum up, the VIP embroidery file format boasts a celebrated history and technical prowess, securing its place in the hearts of many in the embroidery community. It might have been overtaken by newer file formats in some circles, but its continued use by a variety of older machines and by a dedicated cohort of embroidery aficionados speaks volumes. The VIP format's ability to produce intricate, high-quality designs, paired with its proprietary nature that protects a designer's hard work, ensures that it remains an integral part of the tapestry that is the world of embroidery. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.